Sibingelele mbukeli sikwamukele eindabeni zesiZulu ngehora lokuqala emini la ku SABC1 eMzansi. For sure igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wokwamwali. Ihlaba ngalemhlophe qwa mbukeli njengamanje ake sibheke ihamba phambili.
We're seeing positive economic indicators, and therefore Cabinet welcomed the positive economic indicators as per the data released by Statistics South Africa.
Ungqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli uKhumbudzo Ntshabeni uthi muhle umsebenzi owenziwa iminyaka yahlukene njengoba nezomnotho zisimama nje.
So this fifth suspect was already out of the country by then. So since then the team have been working with UK authorities to bring this particular suspect back to the country.
Ungqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli uKhumbudzo Ntshabeni ubambe isithangami nabeindaba ukuzokwenaba ngomsebenzi weCabinet kulandela umhlangano walo wangoLwesithathu. Uveze ukuthi luyabuya uzinzo emabhizinisini kahulumeni futhi lokhu kunomthelela omuhle esimweni somnotho.
Just to clarify.
Ungqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli uKhumbudzo Ntshabeni ubambe isithangami nabezindaba ukuzonaba ngomsebenzi weCabinet kulandela umhlangano walo wangoLwesithathu. Uthi muhle umsebenzi owenziwa iminyaka ehlukene njengoba nezomnotho zisimama nje futhi kuhlika nezinga lempilo.
On the 3rd of September 2024, Statistics South Africa announced a 0.4% increase in the gross domestic product or GDP in the second quarter of 2024.
Ntshabeni uthi kubonakala nozinzo lubuya emabhizinisini kahulumeni nokuyinto ebuyisa ithemba.
It's worth noting that the DINEL posted a profit of 390 million rands before interest and tax for the 2023-2024 financial year, with irregular expenditure declining by a whopping 98%. PRASA is making strong headway in getting passenger trains back on track, with 31 of the 40 rail corridors now operational, and Eskom's recovery plan continues to deliver positive outcomes.
Uphinde wasika elijikayo emkhankasweni eqhutshwa amaphoyisa ukukhuculula ubugebengu kuleli ezifundazweni ezehlukene nathi zithela izithelo ezincomekayo.
Under Operation Shanyela, Cabinet welcomed progress being made in the fight against crime through Operation Shanyela, and between 2nd and 8th of September 2024, law enforcement agencies arrested 13,691 suspects for various serious crimes such as murder, rape, possession of illegal firearms, and business robberies.
Ithimba labaseshi lophiko lwamaHawks selishayelwe elikhulu ihlombe ngokuphumelela kwalo ukubuyisa kuleli wayisebenzisa Eskom obese kuphele isikhathi eside efuneka ngeinsolo zokukhwabanisela lenkampani ephakela ngogesi amabhiliyoni amarandi. uMichael Lomas wafudukela eLondon kwelamangisi lapho ke behleli khona ebalekela amacala afunelwa wona.
uLomas utheleke esikhumbulweni sezindiza iOR Tambo eqashwe abophiko lwamaphoyisa kanye neInterpol njengoba ilandwe eNgilandi ngokohlelo lokufudukiswa kwabasuke beboshwe emazweni angaphandle ukuze bayobhekana namacala abafunelwa wona. Ubehlinzekwe nangethimba lodokotela ngenxa yesimo sempilo yakhe. Ushaqokwela kubo ukuze azobhekana nezinsolo zamacala enkohlakalo kanye nokukhwabanisa ngesikhathi esasebenzela iEskom estation sayo ikusile eMpumalanga. Sekuphele iminyaka engaphezulu kuyisithupha amaHawks kanye neNPA beqhuba uphenyo oluhlobene necala lokukhwabanisela uEskom imali elinganiselwa ku1.5 billion amarandi. uMichael Lomas ongumsola wesihlanu wecala okunguye kuphela obesafunwa amaphoyisa selokhu kwagunyazwa incwadi zokuboshwa kwabo ngo2019.
This fifth suspect was already out of the country by then. So since then the team have been working with UK authorities to bring this particular suspect back to the country to answer to all these allegations leveled against him. So in 2021, he was arrested in the UK, you will recall, and he has been appealing his extradition. So in his last appeal, it was dismissed and he was found extraditable.
Abasolo abane becala okwabe kuyizikhulu ezimbili zakwaEskom nababili ababeqashwe ngokwetoho bona sebeyaboshwa ngamaphoyisa. Kulindeleke ukuthi uMichael Lomas avele enkantolo yeManche Kempton Park lapho ezokwethoswa khona ngokusemthethweni uhlu lwakhe lwamacala ahambisana nezinsolo zokukhwabanisela iEskom.
Umholi we-Action SA uHerman Mashaba uthi iqembu lizobamba umhlangano namalungu alo mayelana novoti lokungabethemba ubuholi bemeya yaseTshwane uSilas Brink we-DA njengoba kulindeleke ukuthi kube nevoti lokungabethemba ubuholi bakhe ngoLwesine lizayo.
Umholi we-Action SA uHerman Mashaba usekubeke kwacaca ukuthi liqashukile ifindo phakathi kweqembu lakhe kanye ne-DA eTshwane. Lokho kwenzeka nje imeya yaseTshwane uSilas Brink uzulelwa ngamanqa njengoba kulindeleke ukuthi kube nevoti lokungabethembi ubuholi bakhe.
26th of September, that's next Thursday, Action SA has got two options. One option, in the event that we talk to the other parties to put together a new government, because we can't just really not run without a government. It's not unlike business. Business, when it's in trouble, you can liquidate it. But unfortunately, a country, you've got to find a way to save it. So in the event we succeed, absolutely, our councillors are going to vote to remove Silas Brink.
uMashaba uthi lo mfelandawonye uqedwe ukuthi iDA yaqala ukuxoxisana neANC malungana nokuketula iAction SA eTshwane.
When it came to our attention that they were negotiating with the ANC to remove us in Tshwane, for anyone, Clement, who's not prepared to accept that, we have the right to react and defend ourselves.
Ngakolunye uhlangothi imeya yaseTshwane uSilas Brink usephinde wagcizelela ukuzibophezela kwakhe ekuholeni lomkhandlu dolobha njengoba isamile kwelokuthi ukuhlinzekwa kwezidingo nqangi kule nhloko dolobha kuthuthukile ngaphansi kobuholi bakhe. Umbiko uSihle Dlamini wezindaba ze-SABC.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ukuyibaphezela ekusebenzeleni abantu bakuleli kungaba indlela enhle yokukhumbula lowo bengungqongqoshe wezamabhizinisi kahulumeni uPravin Gordhan. Umengameli usho lokhu izolo emngcwabeni wakhe uGordhan eNkosi Albert Luthuli International Convention Centre eThekwini.
Ubekwe endlini yakhe yokugcina uPravin Gordhan. uGordhan udlule emhlabeni ngesonto ledlule ngoLwesihlanu kanti ubese neminyaka engama-75 ubudala. Njengoba abambe iqhaza ekulweni nobandlululo ubese encwatshwa ngokusezingeni likahulumeni. Mengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uchaza uGordhan njengomuntu obedlukile wathi futhi ube yisishoshovu somzabalazo.
PG remained a grassroots activist who was well versed in mobilization, in organizing people. He was one of those rare people who knew what the real cost of struggle was.
Ramaphosa unxuse abekade bethamela inkonzo yomncwabo ukuba behambe ngemgomo kaGordhan.
He was my comrade, he was also my colleague, and he was a very good friend.
Umndeni wakhe uGordhan uzohlala umkhumbula njalo.
Dad, all I can say is thank you. Thank you for this extraordinary life, for loving me so immensely and being so proud of me. I will miss you every day of my life, but I know our bond transcends physical boundaries.
Gordhan ushiye emhlabeni unkosikazi wakhe namadodakazi amabili.
Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uHosien Suramukgopa uthi bazosebenzisana kahle nesasole emva kokucica isivumelwano sokusebenzisana ukuya phambili. Lokho kuzolukwelekelela ke ukuthuthukiswa kwamandla ogesi njengoba lakuleli libhekene nenselele yogesi.
We are going to remake the South African energy landscape. Two of South African giants, the marquee organizations in this country, they've been at the forefront of industrialization, various areas of that value chain. So they've got a great appreciation of the energy landscape, and they continue to play a very preeminent and prominent role in the South African energy landscape. And today, the fact that these two giants have found it appropriate that in the interest of the country, the sovereign interest, it's advisable that we worked together, and we'll unpack exactly what this means and what we mean by changing the South African energy landscape. A bit of context is important. So in 2021, we committed ourselves to the nationally determined contributions, in short, the NDCs, through the platform of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change.
Mbukeli okwamanje sathi qhu ngapha ezitolo kanti mangabe sibuya sokuphathela udaba oluthi
sifuna ukumbona at least bamuphe 60 years and no bail sikhathele ngama if umuntu unemali akahlala ejele imali yamkhulumela
Lihlahlele umhlazi ngama-29 kuLwezi icala lokubulala elibhekene noCecil Kekana osolo ngokubulala umkakhe uDorcas Lekhanyane. Siphinde sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele mangabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi Ngqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli uKhumbuzo Ntshabeni uthi muhle umsebenzi owenziwa iminyango yahlukene njengoba nezomnotho sezisimama. Sikhumbuze ke mbukeli ukuthi lezi ndaba zikhona ku YouTube kanjalo no SABC Plus ungena kuzo uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba. Amaphoyisa aseqinisekise ukuthi omunye wabasolwa ecaleni likaMalusi Boy lokukhwabanisa usedutshulwe wabulawa eBeacon Valley eMitchells Plain izolo ebusuku. Bonke abasolwa abahlanu banikezwa ibhayili yamanani ahlukene babhekene namacala afaka phakathi ukushushumbisa imali, ukukhwabanisa kanye nokuphazamisa ukusebenza komthetho. Umbuso usola ukuthi ngesikhathi esasebenzela ihhovisi leindaba zabantu eminyangweni ezokuhlaliswa abantu uBoy wanikezela ngamathenda afika kwiBillion lamarandi einkampanini ezayisebenzisana noRalph Stanfield kanye nonkosikazi wakhe uNicole Johnson. Lihlahlele umhlazi ngama-29 kuLwezi icala lokubulala elibhekene noCecil Kekana osolo ngokubulala umkakhe uDorcas Lekhanyane. uKekana ubevele enkantolo yeMantshi eAlexandra. Umbuso unxuse ukuthi lihlehle icala ngenxa yemibukiso yeCCTV kanye nemphumela yokuhlolwa kwesidumbu sikamufi. Intatheli yezindaba zeSABC uCalvin wakwaDludla ubese enkantolo wasiqoqela nankumbiko.
Ihlehlisa leli cala inkantolo yemanje uReni Boshoff uthi umbuso awulungisa izinto zawo ngoba akafuni ukulokhu ehlehlisa leli cala wathi lokhu akunabo ubulungiswa nhlobo.
I will allow this postponement till 29 November for further investigations. However, the state is reminded not to drag any unnecessary feet here. And to get the investigations going, I won't tolerate.
Okhulumela umndeni wakwaLekhanyane uRobert uthi banethemba lokuthi umbuso unabo ubufakazi obuqanda ikhanda ngaleli cala.
Sinalo ithemba ukuthi given the nature of the case and the seriousness of the case and then the media attention and nathi of course monitoring from all angles bazoyenza the right thing on this one.
Bebebhodla umlilo abantu abebengaphandle kwenkantolo besho nokuthi kumele adilikelwe ijele umsolwa.
Sifuna ukumbona aphumile, sifuna ukumbona at least bamuphe 60 years and no bail. Sikhathele ngama if umuntu unemali akahlala ejele. Imali yamkhulumela. Umuntu abulala umuntu kusasa uyaphuma sikhathele as community la Alexandra as ama brigade ngoba yithi attenda lama court each and every day sizobuhlungu so enough is enough.
Insolo zithukekana wamnquma uqhoqhoqho umufi wase emgwaza ngento ecijile ikhawe iningana emzini wabo oseBramley eGoli ngoNtulikazi nonyaka. Lo msola watholakala eduze kwaso isidumbu sikamufi ngemva kokuthi yena uKekana ezame ukuyibulala. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla eindabeni zeSABC ngibika ngisenkantolo yeMantshi eAlexandra.
Ungqongqoshe wezamandla kagesi uDokotela uHosien Suramukhupa useqinisekise izakhamuzi zaseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi zizobhekana nezindleko zikagesi eziphezulu. Lokho ukusho ngesikhathi kunenkulumo mpikiswano ePhalamende likazwelonke mayelana nokwenyuswa kwamanani entengo eEskom okuzoba phakathi kwama-36% nama-43%.
Amaqela ezopolitiko aliqela athathe inxaxheba kule ngxoxo mpikiswano athi ixabiso lombane liphezulu. Esaleka ngelithi lonto inyanzelisa abantu ukuba bakhethe phakathi kokuthenga umbane nento etyiwayo kwangaxeshanye linefuthe lingelihle kwezoqoqosho.
I give you the assurance that as the minister will do everything possible that we cushion everyone like we said. These increases are untenable, are unaffordable, and the country can least afford this situation.
Iqela le-DA ebeliphakamise ukuba kuxoxwe ngalombandela lithi makuhlolwe umgaqo-nkqubo wexabiso lombane.
As Parliament and as government, we need to be doing everything we can to make electricity more affordable. The Democratic Alliance will not allow these tariff increases to stand unchallenged. We will fight for the right of every South African to have access to affordable electricity.
uRamaphosa uthi umbandela wetyala lika-Eskom fanele ulungiswe esithi le nkampani ibonelela ngombane ityalwa luluntu kuquka omasipala imali engange-78 yeebhiliyoni zeerandi. Ngelixa omasipala betyalwa i-350 yeebhiliyoni zeerandi. Tingilulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.
Njengoba sekusondele ukuba kuphothulwe inyanga eyaziwa kakhulu ngezokuvakasha kanye namagugu, abafundi abangaphezulu kwekhulu abavela endaweni yasemakhaya eTaung bathathe uhambo lwamahora amabili bebhekise amabombo eKimberley, bevakasheleke indawo ezahlukahlukene okubalwa kuzo lezo phela ezaziwa kakhulu ngomlando wesifundazwe.
Lolu uhambo olubalulekile kubafundi ukuze bakwazi ukufunda ngezinto eziningi okubalwa kuzo nomlando wesifundazwe. Izindawo ezihanjelwe kubala kuzo iDagen Cronin Gallery, isishamthetho sesifundazwe kanye nendawo egcina amagugu iMcGregor. Abafundi bathi balithokozele kakhulu lolu hambo obelunemfundiso.
I have learned that Kimberley doesn't just give schools, but it gives many more things. And I have learned that in Parliament, no one gets inside, but they get only people who are elected.
And I have learned about how slaves were to track burros, and I have learned about many artists in Kimberley.
Othisha bathi lolu hambo luzosiza kakhulu abafundi ngesikhathi sezifundo.
It's going to benefit the children. I was for sure telling the grade 4s that be ready, because next year, as you are stepping into grade 5, these are some of the things that you're going to learn about. So rather you learn here today by looking and listening and by reading, so that next year it becomes easy for them to understand. You know?
Izikhulu ebeziyingxenye yohambo zithi izikhungo zomphakathi zihlezi zivulelekile ukufundisa abafundi.
Legislature is accessible to everybody. We have a beautiful building with such a lot of significant symbolism.
Abahleli bohambo bathi lena ingenye izindlela okuhloswe ngazo ukuthuthukisa ulwazi lwabafundi.
In the villages, it's very rare you find places that offers entertainment for kids, and those kind of entertainments that are educational, you understand, like solplaki.
Abafundi bafunde okuningi kulolu hambo.
Abezimo eyiphuthumayo iJohannesburg Emergency Management Services sebekhiphe isexwayiso sezokuphepha ngenxa yokwehla kwamazinga okushisa. Izakhamuzi ziyaxwayiswa ke ukuthi zisebenzise ngokucophelela izinto zokuyifudumeza ezingaba nobungozi. Ngokombiko we-South African Weather Services bathi ke kuzobanda kakhulu imvula kanye nomoya eindaweni eziseningizimu nasempumalanga yezwe, okungenzeka ukuthi kube neqhwa ke nokuduma kwezulu. Njengoba kubanda ke nje kembukeli izakhamuzi zingase zilindeleke zisebenzise indlela zokuyifudumeza ezahlukahlukene, kodwa nje ke kunxuswa ukuba phela baqaphele kakhulu uma besebenzisa izinto ezifana nama-heater njalo njalo.
The South African Weather Service earlier forecast suggests extremely cold, wet and windy weather conditions in most parts of the city of Johannesburg. Residents are urged to exercise caution when using heating devices over this weekend. From our side as the city of Johannesburg, we have got our disaster management monitoring teams in all 7 regions of the city, and all our fire stations throughout the city are fully operational. We should be able to respond to all emergencies which might occur in all 7 regions of the city of Johannesburg over this weekend.
Lusephansi uhwebo lwerandi eyimakethe emini nje. Irandi libiza u17.55 edoleni lasemelika libo u23.24 kupondo kanti lingu19.56 ku-euro. Ipula laseBotswana libiza u1.32. Isephezulu inkomba yezabelo eJohannesburg Stock Exchange. Igolide libiza $2,570 i-ounce, iplatinum libiza $978 i-ounce, uwele ungahluziwe ubiza $72.44 umphongolo. Kake mbukeli sizibeka lapha ke besikuphathele zona manje ngehora lokuqala kodwa cha siyabuya futhi kusihlwa phela zizobeke zifundwa nguye uCalvin wakwaDludla nibe nje nempela sonto emnandi sinibone ngehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa nisandla.